Hello BabyCro! Today we have the overview of Anex Sport Q1 children's jogging stroller of Swiss brand. This stroller is made of environmentally friendly materials and is designed for children from the first days of birth up to 3 years. The stroller includes the following kit: chassis, removable wheels, cradle for newborns, natural orthopedic coconut mattress, basket for purchases, cover for legs, for cradle, bag for parents, rain cover and mosquito net. The stroller was certified according to ISO 9001 standard. Let's overview this model in more detail. So here are its specifications. You can install the cradle on the chassis of this stroller. It is made of plastic and covered with 100% cotton inside. There is a mattress with a pleasant material inside it. You can raise it and remove the cover for washing. There is also a small pocket for little things inside the cradle. You can easily remove the cradle upholstery since it is on the zipper. It can be washed if dirty. You can adjust the headrest in the cradle in several positions. You can find a handle at the bottom of the cradle. Turning it, the headrest will take several positions for the comfort of staying in the cradle, since it is so important to keep the head in the first month of life. There is a soft cover for feet. The fabric is pleasant and durable enough. It is fixed to the cradle with a zipper. There is also a large and durable canopy. It is fixed to the hood with buttons. The canopy is in the steady position and does not throw away under any circumstances, but protects safely the baby. The hood is very large. It consists of 3 sectors and a canopy. You can adjust it by pressing the buttons on both sides and then lower it to the desired position. You can also unfasten the zipper on the hood, fold a part of the hood back, and there will be a mesh for better air ventilation behind it. The hood is fixed to the bases on BabyCro. That is, you can remove it. There is also a convenient handle for comfortable carrying the cradle from place to place. It is especially convenient when removing the cradle from the stroller chassis. You can see air ventilation at the bottom of the cradle bases. You can close or open it with a handle on the side if necessary. The basis is made of durable plastic and, frankly speaking, the basis of white color looks presentable enough. You can easily take the cradle off the stroller chassis. To do so, press the buttons on both sides of the handle and raise it. The wheels are inflatable and single. The front wheels are swivel 360 degrees and can be locked. To do this, turn the clip under the seat to the side. You can also remove them completely. Press the middle button over the wheel for this. The soft spring suspension provides a smooth movement for the stroller. There is an additional adjustable spring damping system on the frame. The rear wheels are large, equipped with the brakes. Push the pedal in the middle of the wheels to lock them. You can unlock them in the same way. You can also remove these wheels. There is a small red button on the side at the wheels. Press it and push the wheels. Instead of a basket, here is a large eco-leather bag under the stroller. You can unfasten it and put a lot of things inside. It is also fixed on the BabyCro to the stroller chassis. The handle is made of eco-leather and its height is adjustable in the usual way, with buttons on the sides and you can take the most comfortable position. The stroller also includes an additional bag for mother. You can fasten it to the stroller's handle or carry on shoulder thanks to the belt of the bag. You can also find a mosquito net inside the bag, protection from the annoying screams of children. There is also a waterproof rain cover of a good quality. The unique X-lock system prevents accidental folding of the frame during walk. You can easily fold the stroller as the other ones. Remove all unnecessary things from the stroller, including the block for things under the stroller. It is folded compact enough. Remove the safety lock in the form of red button on the stroller handle. Then pull the buttons up from both sides and fold it away from yourself using the handle. It is automatically fixed. It is unfolded in the same way. Just loosen a clip and raise the stroller holding the handle till the full folding. Natural waterproof fabrics with EcoTex technology that do not cause allergies and keep a stable microclimate for the baby during a sleep were used to manufacture this stroller. The fabric is treated with silver ions, which have antiseptic and antibacterial properties. The stroller weight with the cradle is 11.9 kilograms, with the jogging block is 12.3 kilograms. The weight of the chassis is 8.65 kilograms. Dimensions of the folded chassis are 78 by 59.5 by 35 centimeters. The cradle internal dimensions are 35 by 79 centimeters. The chassis width is 59 centimeters. Such dimensions allow you going with the stroller even through narrowest door. Anex Sport Q1 2-in-1 children's jogging stroller is lightweight, stylish and maneuverable. It is convenient for baby, easy to carry and versatile. It is equipped with a unique X-lock system and comfy stock braking technology. A bundled complete set of this model will simplify gathering for a walk or a journey with an infant. You can find all the details about this model by following the links in the description below. Hopefully you have found something useful for you in this overview video. Stay with us. See you soon!